Hey guys, what's going on? This is my 2016 bike check. Starting from the start, we've got two grips here because I'm on my bike grip here. Everything is salt here. We put arcade salt from here. I've got two Odyssey Path tyres and an ODI grip there. So yeah, I'm riding brakes because I mostly ride park and it's just good to have brakes when you ride like park. Yeah, so there's not much about my bike. At Christmas time 2017 I should have a lot more parts and stuff, so I'll get another bike check out there. Let's get some clips now and I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna get a few clips on the double so yeah, let's get it. Get this clip, man. Right guys, that's gonna conclude it for this video. I've killed my knee and my knee is officially killing right now and it's like hard to ride, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy me being back. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.